Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, we are going to study here topic useful and harmful microbes. There are different types of microbes which are present in air, water, soil, etc. in which some microbes are useful and some microbes are harmful. To stop the growth of such harmful microbes, there is use of medicines called as antibiotics. Anti means against and biotic means living organism. To stop, to inhibit the growth of such microbes, there is use of antibiotics. One of the harmful microbes, fungi. Fungi is discovered by scientist Birger Rasmussen. Heinrich Anton de Berry is the father of fungi. The study of fungus or fungi, called as mycology, it is a branch of science in which there is study of fungus occurs, called as mycology. Fungi is a member of eukaryotic organism that includes microorganisms such as yeast and molds. Various aspects of fungi grow on food items like pickles, jams, piece of bread, bhakri, etc. Observe the diagram of fungus. In the diagram of fungus, there is presence of thread-like structure. The thread-like structure is called as hyphae. The root-like structure called as rhizoids. There is presence of thread-like again structure called as sporangiophore. At the one end of the sporangiophore, there is ball-like or balloon-like structure called as sporangia. Within the sporangia, there is growth of spores of fungus occurs. When the complete growth of sporangia occurs, it bursts and spores falls on the other part of the piece of bread, bhakri, etc. When the growth of such fungus occurs on food or in food, it releases mycotoxins. Here myco for fungus and toxins means poison. It mixes the poison in the food and which causes different types of food poisoning diseases. Hence, the food on which fungi have grown cannot be eaten. Observe the diagram of fungus or how the growth of fungus occurs on bread, bhakri, etc. There are different colors of the fungus which are grey color or maybe in greenish in color. Clostridium, it is one of the harmful microbes. The bacteria which spoil cooked food are called as Clostridium bacteria. There are about 100 different species of the Clostridium, in which some are free living in the soil, whereas some live in the alimentary canal of humans and other animals. It is genus of gram-positive spore-forming bacteria. The cells are rod-shaped and arranged in pairs or in the form of short chains. Observe that different species of Clostridium, Clostridium tetani, Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium botulinum, Clostridium difficile. These are the some of the species of Clostridium. They grow in anaerobic conditions. Anaerobic condition means no necessity of oxygen, and the growth of such harmful microbes occurs, that is Clostridium. Clostridium tetani, it causes tetanus. Clostridium perfringens causes diarrhea. Clostridium botulinum, it attacks on the body's nerves and difficulty in breathing and muscle paralysis, etc. Clostridium difficile, diarrhea and colitis. These are some of the examples or species of Clostridium which causes different types of diseases, problems in case of human beings. Other harmful microbes also causes different types of diseases, which includes different bacteria, viruses, protozoa and fungi also causes different types of diseases. Observe the table in which some of the diseases, their pathogens, mode of infection and preventive measures. AIDS, which is caused by HIV virus. AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is caused by the virus HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. How the mode of infection occurs? Through blood and semen of infected person and milk of mother suffering from AIDS. Preventive measures: safe sexual contact, avoid reuse of needles and injections. Hepatitis, also it is called as jaundice. There are 5 different types of hepatitis: A, B, C, D and E. It is caused by the pathogen here, virus. Mode of infection: contaminated water and food. Use clean and filtered water and proper storage of food as a preventive measure. Influenza, because of virus it may cause contact with infected person. Personal hygiene and avoiding contact with infected person. Measles and chickenpox, again viral disease. Contact with infected person. If any person who suffers by measles or chickenpox, if healthy person is in contact with such persons, it get contaminated. Vaccination, uncontaminated water, clean food as a preventive measures. Bird flu, which is caused by the virus H7N9 and swine flu by H1N1. Mode of infection: contact with infected birds and animals. Preventive measure: personal hygiene, use properly cooked meat for eating purpose. Dengue, viral disease, mosquito bite disease. Cleanliness of surroundings, preventing stagnation of water, mosquito control. If we store the water at any place, it must be covered one. If it is open, at that time there is a growth of different types of mosquito may occur, and because of bite of such mosquito, dengue may cause. Pneumonia, bacterial disease. Mode of infection: droplets spread in air by infected person. While sneezing, coughing, at that time the germs or pathogens may enter into the air, and when it enters into the healthy person's body, healthy person also attacked by the pneumonia. Vaccination, avoiding contact with infected person as a preventive measures. Leprosy, bacterial disease, long-term contact with infected person. Preventive measure, avoiding contact with infected person and their belongings. cholera, which is caused by the bacteria Vibrio cholerae. Mode of infection, contaminated food and water. Use clean food and water for drinking purpose as a preventive measure. Malaria, protozoal disease, which is caused by mosquito bite and uncleaned surroundings. Cleanliness of surroundings, preventing stagnation of water and controlling the growth of mosquitoes. Malaria, which caused by the female Anopheles mosquito bite. Dandruff, ringworm, scabies. These are the different types of diseases which caused by fungus. Mode of infection, contact with infected person or his/her belongings like clothes. Preventive measures, personal hygiene, avoiding contact with infected person. Thank you, student.